What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from Promenade at Sunset Walk, Margaritaville Resort, Orlando, for another Sunset Walk Slingshot construction update. Hopefully there's been some progress. Let's go! And into the construction site we go. Looks good. Concrete pads are curing still, but we've removed all of the wood forms that were around it. Then over here, we can see a pit has been dug out, and this is where the volcano will sit. So you'll lower down in there and then shoot up. And then over here, same situation, concrete pad with forms off. Looks really good. Let's check out the pad a little closer, shall we? Kind of neat that we can walk on it now. All of the conduit right here, ground cable as well. And over here, cable guide box, and the tower itself. So, just like what we said in the past and have shown you, concrete goes around the support columns. More conduit over here, and of course the ladder leading up. Lots of markings over here. We have set up for electrical over there as well. Some progress though. And here's the other concrete pad. We can see right over here, cable guide box, spring box will sit over there. Cables are run down to the volcano over here. Other cables will run here, out this, and up. And just like the other tower, we have conduit right here for the electrical, and the ladder leading up. Alright, so now we're down in the pit, and this will be ground zero for where the gondola will sit and then shoot straight up into the air. Over here on this side, we can see one of the cable guide boxes in place, tower leading up. So the cables are run through there. And then we'll go over to the other side and show you the anchor bolts that are in for more cable guides. You can see them right there, and the tower and the pad. Without an official number, I would say we're about 8 feet deep. About that. So within the next week or two, we should have some work for the volcano pit. But let's get into the air and see how everything looks now. Well, guys, that's going to do it for another update here from Promenade at Sunset Walk, Margaritaville Resort, Orlando for the Sunset Walk Slingshot. Exciting stuff as the pit for the volcano is going in and things are looking pretty good. Hopefully within the next week or two, we have some more progress and we're going to have plenty more updates. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.